Okay. These days I'm recording the session. So if anybody misses a session, I can just send them by YouTube. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, butt kicks. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, hands up. You will twist and twist. 1, 2. Move your hips to the side. 3. Just not here. You will move your hips and the toes. 4, 3, 2, and last one. Okay. Make circles, 1 to the clockwise, 1 anti-clockwise. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. On the other leg, 1 clockwise and 1 side come from the back. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one, and back. Okay, keep your legs wide. You will bend. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. On the other side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Now you'll go kick your leg in the back. Bhanu, Amit, you will need space today. I don't know how you will manage. You will need space to lay your mat, put your weights on one side. So it's like having 3 stations. But you shouldn't be able to do it. I think just imagine you have 3 stations. 1 for your leg workout, quickly come on to the weights, and then you will need space for the mat. On the other side, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Or you can both take turns between the stations. If one is doing upper body, the other one can do leg workout. Something like that, okay? Before the things start, I will tell you what the 3 workouts will be. Leg workout, ab workout, and the upper body. You guys can choose between the 3. Okay? I think we had enough warm up. Let's do a few more things of cardio. Start jogging. I'll quickly set the timer. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, your first round of exercises will be, I think we have 1 or 2 more warm-ups. Hold on. We have 1 or 2 more warm-ups planned. Okay, come down to a sumo. You will go side to side. Okay, let's do this 10 times. Start. 1, 2, touch your thigh with that elbow. 3, 4, stay low, then you'll be able to touch. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come up. This time you'll be touching your fingers to the floor. Same thing in sumo. Okay? Let's go down. Behind your thigh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. That's it. We had enough of warm up. Now we will get going. Okay, your first one will be simple jacks for a minute. Okay, in case you're tired, you know your option of going just tap tap. Okay, 1 minute. Your weights we will start with okay, we will go with 1 bicep curl. Okay, we will keep this simple. Okay, keep your feet shoulder width apart. You will go 2 biceps. Okay, drop it down and 2 front raises. Okay, so it will be 2 biceps, locking your elbows, turn those weights, 2 front raises. Alright, as simple as that. And then the third one for your abs will be okay, you will pulse your leg twice. Okay, at 10 degrees, keeping your shoulders up or down, you will pulse your leg twice and then 2 V's. 2 top and bottom, 2 V's. Okay, you will go on for a minute like this. Alright, so keep your stuff ready. We will have 3 minutes. Once you start, you will have only 15-second break in the middle. So keep your weights ready, your mat ready. And we'll start the timer now. Okay. You have 10 seconds to go. You will start with jacks, move on to your weights. The last is the abs. If you're following my sequence, that is what it is. Okay? Let's start with our jacks. 1 minute jacks. Simple jacks. So I'll be doing leg workout followed by weights and then lastly the abs. 1 minute, 15-second break in the middle. After all 3 are done, you will get a minute break. Okay, half a minute done. Fifteen seconds more. 5 seconds more. 15-second break. Okay, you can pick up your weights next. We'll start in 10 seconds. Two biceps, 2 front raises. Okay, go. 2 biceps, bottom to top, turn the weight, 2 front rows. So you're working on your bicep and your shoulders. And 2 in the front. Keep your elbows soft when you do front raises. 2 bicep, 2 front. Half a minute is done. 2 biceps, almost done. And down. Okay, keep the weights aside. Now you will move on. 2 pulses, 10 to 30 degrees, and then 2 V's. Okay, come down. We'll start now. Hand under your glutes, shoulder raised up. 2 pulse, 10 to 30, and 2 V's. 2 pulse up, 10 to 30, 2 V's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. Half a minute is done now. Half a minute more. 1, 2, open, close. 1, 2, open, close. 15 seconds more. Open. 1, 10 more. That's it. Now you get a minute break. All three are done. Oh, hold on. Okay, while you take a sip of water and come back, I'll tell you what to do next. Okay, next one. We will do twist hops. Okay, you will go. Okay, your easy option is tap tap. That's it. Front tap, if you're tired. Otherwise, for 1 minute, you will be moving your hips. Okay, you will not go here only. You will move your hips from side to side. Second one, the weights. You will keep your elbows at shoulder level. Make small circles. We just work on the shoulder. Okay, so you're just working on the deltoid muscles here. For the abs, you will come down. Okay. Keep your legs in the front with toe pointing in the front towards yourself. You will go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? So these are the next 3. So we will get started with the timer. Get ready. 15 seconds, we'll get started. Twisting hops, elbows, you will make circles with your weights, and then you will come down to the mat. Okay, 5 seconds more. Half a minute done. Ten seconds more. 5 and 1. Okay. Pick up your weights. Get ready. We'll start in 5 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Make small circles with your elbows. Take the elbow back and front. After half a minute, we will change the circle of the elbow. Okay, now go in the reverse. If you were going front to back, now go front, back to front. 10 seconds more. And 1. Okay. You will go down to the mat. We'll get going in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Start. In the front and up. 1, 2, in the front and up. 1, 2, in the front and up. Try to take your forehead between the knees. Half a minute done. Ten seconds more. Forward. That's it. Get a 1 minute break. Okay, the next 3. Cycles, 8 more sets. Okay. All right. Okay, next one. Okay, we will use our mat to hop. You will go skater hops. We'll try to balance. If you're not able to balance, take support of that rear leg. Okay, this is the basic version. Otherwise, you will go touch the floor. Okay, so use the mat to hop. So you have some reference with the weights. Okay, you will lock your elbows. Bring them to the navel. 1, 2. Keep them standing this time. 3. And 4. Okay, so that is what you will do in the weights. Now we'll come to the abs. We will pick up one of the weights. One leg bent, one leg straight up. You will try to reach that foot. Okay, for 30 seconds. The next 30, you will change. I tell you to change quickly. You will change to reach the other leg. Okay, if you find this tough, don't use a weight. Just do it without the weight. Okay? We'll get started in 15 seconds. We're done with 2 circuits. We have third one coming up now. We'll start with the skater hops. Let's start. Reach the floor. Try to get that balance. Take the other hand straight up. This works very good on your hip joint. By tomorrow you will be sore. Continue for half a minute, 1 minute. Every time I do this, my hips are sore next day. Touch the floor with the opposite arm. The other arm, take it to the air. Get that balance right. Use your core. Ten seconds more. One. That's it. 15-second break. Okay. 15 seconds for a break is too short. Okay, let's start. But when you're doing a workout, the same 15 seconds feels long. 1 and 2. 2 horizontal, 2 going vertically. 2 and 4. Lock those elbows. You're using your biceps. Half a minute more. Bhanu, I recorded the Monday session. So if you want, you can do it tomorrow. I'll send you the YouTube. Keep going, 10 seconds more. If you missed out any day, let me know. I'm recording it for somebody in Bombay, so I can send it to you as well. 3, 2, and 1. That's it. 15-second break. Pick up one of those weights. Okay. One leg bent, the other leg straight up. Try to reach that toe. Keep that toe pointing to yourself. Reach this leg, half a minute. You will change your leg in 3, 2, 1. Ten seconds left. That's it. Get a 1 minute break. 3 circuits are done. If you want to know how many we are left with 7 more. I had 10 circuits in mind. Okay, while you're finishing up your break, your next 3. Double skipping rope. No, we will keep it a slight challenging. Okay, if anybody has issue with the knee, you will go with both the legs. Okay, if not, let me stop this timer. I'll just quickly explain what we'll do. Half a minute, one leg to get that calf muscle stronger, and after half a minute you will change. For your, you will go squat, take the hips back. You will do 2 flies, turn the weight, 2 rows. Okay, so 2 flies, come back down, turn the weight for 2 rows. And for your abs, you have, okay, you'll do both the legs cycling. Okay, for keep your shoulder raised, you will go 2 clockwise and 2 anti-clockwise. Okay, that is what you will do for a minute. So your 1 minute break is done. We will get going, get started in 3, 2, and 1. Okay, 1 leg hop. Don't give up for half a minute. We just have half a minute, guys. 5. Keep going. My timer hasn't even started. 15 seconds more. Land on the same spot. Don't move. 5, 4, 3, 2, on the other side. Seconds more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That's it. Take a break. Get ready with those weights. Okay. Squat down, 2 flies, and 2 rows. Half a minute done now. Almost done. Okay, keep it aside. 15-second break. Get down to your mat. Keep your hand under the glutes with your shoulder raised. And start. 1, 2, reverse. 1 and 2. Make a nice circle with those toes. Go as far as you can extend. 1, 2. Half a minute done now. Fifteen seconds left. Almost there. And 1. Get a minute break and come back. Okay, the one with your leg. All right. Okay, the basic one. Basic one is just squat. Okay, now if you want to take this up to the next level, you will go with squat hops. If it is getting tough, it will get tough on the thighs, but if it's getting tough, you can move on to, or you can combine. You can do 4 of this, 4 of that. Okay, the next one is your shoulder press and elbow in the front. Okay, so you will start from your neutral, turn your elbow all the way up, shoulder press and back. Okay, so this is very simple. You're going to work on your shoulder and your abs will be sit up, crunch, 1, 2, come to center and go back. Then on the other side, come to center and go back, keeping your back straight. Don't hunch your back. Okay, so we will get started in 15 seconds. Get yourself right for the 5th circuit now. After this is done, we are halfway through. Hopefully you'll be able to finish on time. Okay, you will start your squats and hop if you can. Go nice and slow. There is no hurry. We have 1 minute. If you can hold on for 1 minute with these squat hops, it's really great. Because after 15 minutes is when you start feeling the burn. Half a minute done. Use your arms when you go up. 20 seconds left. Ten seconds more. 8, 6, 5. That's it. Woo. Stretch those quads. Woo. Okay, now I'll pick up the weights. Okay. Elbows in the front, open, one shoulder press and back. Whew. The break of 15 seconds is short, but those squat hops felt long. Don't come below the shoulder level at all. Stay at shoulder level. Twenty seconds more. Almost done. And 1. That's it. Okay. Now your crunches and twisting to both the sides. Once you twist from the right, left. Next time twist from the left, right. Okay, let's start. Right, left, center, back. Left, right, center, back. Right, left, center, back. Left, right, center. Keep going. Now you know what to do. You have 40 seconds left. Almost done. Okay, that's it. You get a minute break. We are halfway through, guys. 5 circuits are done. Okay. All right. Okay, next one. Okay, we'll keep it simple. If you can, you will hop. Okay, if you cannot, you will go 1, 2, 3 and switch 1, 2, 3. Okay, second one. You will go down on the mat. You will do, okay, you will raise your hips up. You will do 2 flies. Come back here and 2 skull crushers. Okay, so 2 flies and 2 skull crusher while you are in glute bridge. Your third one will be for your abs. You will do window wipers. So you will go down on the mat. Keep your arms beside you. You will go right and left. And that's it. You will keep going. Work on your lower abs in this last one. Okay, let's start in 15 seconds. This is the hop lunges will be tough. I will most likely do the pulses. If you can, you will do the hop lunge. Okay, we'll get started in 3 seconds. Let's start. Half a minute done. Twenty seconds more. Make sure both the knees are at 90 degrees when you do this. Front knee and back knee. Almost done. And done. Okay. Get down to your mat for next two. Okay. We'll start in 5 seconds. Take your hips up. And go. 2 flies. And 2 skull crusher. Keeping that elbow locked. And watch your face. Be careful with those weights. Hips up. Half a minute done. Remind yourself to keep your hips up. You have 15 seconds more to go. You're working on your abs and your core as well. Two, that's it. Lower your hips. We'll start in 5 seconds. Window wipers. Take both the feet together. And don't rest on the floor too much. Try not to touch the floor at all. Keep your shoulders on the mat. Make sure the shoulder is not raising up. $20 seconds left. Almost done. And one. Okay. 6th one done. Take a sip of water. Okay. Alright, hold on. Okay, your next one. Okay, now it's up to you whether you want to go sit down and walk back, or you will turn. Okay, so it's up to you whether you want to go on or you'll just walk it, squat and come back. Your second one with those weights will go, you will squat, lock both of your elbows, and your easy option is going alternate tricep. If you want to go, you can go both the arms, extend the tricep for a minute, or you have that basic version of alternate. For the abs, most likely we will do an easy one. You will go down on the mat, keep your hands below your hips, and you will continuously raise your legs up, hips up for a minute. Okay, this looks easy, but it's not. So we'll try to hold on for a minute. Okay, so we'll get started in 15 seconds. I know I'm giving you a longer break, but telling all 3 in a row in the beginning is important, because that 15 seconds in the middle is not enough. Okay, let's get going. Okay. Go low, completely go in a full squat. If you're just doing squat in place, go low. Ten seconds left. Done. Okay, pick up those weights, 5 seconds more. Okay, lock your elbows to the back and go with your alternate tricep or both triceps together. That's up to you. Fifteen seconds done. Half a minute done. Fifteen seconds left. 5 and 1. Okay, down to the mat. Hand under your glutes and you'll take your legs up, reach the toes to the ceiling. Fifteen seconds done. Half a minute is done. Twenty seconds left. 10, 5. That's it. We're done with the 7th one. 3 more to go, but we will have to take a call because it's already 9:06. Most probably we'll be able to do 1 or 2 more. If you're done with 8, that's really awesome. It's not easy to do 8. 8 into 4. 4 to 5. 8 into 4. 4 and a half. Almost 40 minutes of non-stop. Okay, that's not bad. Chalo, we'll move on to the next. We will leave the planks for Friday. All we'll do is weights today. So we have the next one. Let's keep this. Let's keep this simple. You will go 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2, or you will make a circle. Okay. After half a minute, if you want, if you're feeling giddy, you will turn on the other side. For your weights, you will start. Okay, palms are facing the front. Always facing the front, even when they go up. Okay, so that is your second one. Your third one for your abs. Okay. Next one will be hand under your glutes, shoulders up. Pulse twice at 10 degree. Pulse twice at 30, 60, and then 90. Okay, so 2, 2. I will tell you at which degree, you will just follow me. So you will go for a minute. Most likely you will be able to do 2 round trips or 3 round trips up and down. So get ready for your first one. Okay, you will hop 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. If you want, you can make a circle. Okay, let's start now. If you are feeling giddy, do it in place. Okay, it's the same effect. So don't worry. "25 seconds left. "20. Almost done. And 1. Good. Okay, pick up those weights. Okay, palms facing out, right above your head. Bring it back. Right above your head. 10 seconds done. Keep your elbows soft. Half a minute done. "20 seconds left. "10 seconds left. That's it. Down to the mat. You will pulse at every degree that I tell you, 10, 30, 50, 70, 90. You will pulse twice and go up. Let's start. 10 degree, 30, 50, 70, 90, down, 70, 50, 30, 10, up, 30, 50, 70, 90, 70, half a minute done, 50, 30, 10. What innovative ways you're coming up with. Pravina, I hope you're happy today. And 90, I'm forgetting my count. 70, 50, 30, 10, up, 10 seconds left. 30, 50, 70, 90, almost done. And down. That's it. Our 8th circuit is done. We are done with 8 into 3 exercises. Total of 24 exercises. It's 9, 12 guys. Now, whoever is on screen, tell me thumbs up for one more circuit or down for no more circuits. Preeti, I can only see you. Bhanu is gone. What do you want, up or down? One more? Huh? Down? Down, okay, got it. Alright, Soumya. What, one more? Praveena is saying one more. I think we'll do only one. Okay, Preeti, let's do one thing. We'll do only abs. Okay?
We can
only.
do one more, Bhavi.
Huh? One more? Okay, I'll help both of you. Preeti, you will stretch with me. Rest of you will do one more. Okay? So, I'll tell you what you will do for one more. Preeti, quickly you will stretch your quads while I finish up telling them what to do. Okay? 10 seconds on each side. Stretch that. Rest of you. Pulse is done. Window wipers is done. Raise both the legs. Okay. For abs, the last one, you will keep your hands beside, you are lying down, keep your hands beside your shoulders, you will go legs up and down. Okay, hands are not behind your glutes, they are beside you. And then you will do that for your, we worked on triceps, biceps. What else did we have? We had circles is done. Okay, you had 2 rows, come back here, and 2 raises in the front. Okay, so 2 rows and 2 raises in the front. For your leg workout, you will go with pendulums. Alright, you will finish this. So I'll get your timer started. Both of you will get going in 15 seconds. Okay, Preeti, let's stretch those hamstrings. Chalo, come down. Okay, you guys will get started with pendulum in 5 seconds. Okay. Preeti, let's start. We'll stretch that hamstring. Foot in the front, raise those toes up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. On the other side, you both are done with 20 seconds. 40 more to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, half a minute done. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Stretch that inner thigh. Just stay here. Just stay here, stay here. Stretch this leg completely and stay low. 10, 9, 10 more seconds, guys. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and change. 10, 15-second rest for you. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. You will go with squat. You will raise 2 times row and 2 times in the front. Okay, get going. 1 minute. Okay, come down. Let's do our glutes. Okay, push this knee down. 10 seconds done. Praveena, squat. Take your hips back. Go low. Take your back as low as possible. Okay, if you stay here, it's better when you're down. On the other side, Preeti. 10, 9, 8, 25 seconds left for you. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, come down, stretch your feet wide, keep your palms on the floor, feel it in the glutes and hamstring. 10 seconds, almost done. Keep the palms on the floor. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring your feet close by and push the knee out. You both have abs, right? You will keep your palm beside your shoulder. Take your legs up and down, nice and slow. Very nice and slow. 1 minute started. Preeti, we're almost done. 2 rounds of deep breathing. Okay. I'll see you, Preeti, on Friday now. Bye. Okay, rest of you have 40 seconds more with that abs. Half a minute more. hands beside is much tougher than hands under the glutes. You have 20 seconds more. 15 more. 7, 5, and 1. That's it. Excellent. I think you both are the only ones who finished.